I'm back with another interesting Instagram video in which we will see how to look up for different filters on Instagram. Okay, so many people don't know how to search for different filters on Instagram. So in this video I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open Instagram and here just go to your story. Okay, so here you can see Instagram has already enabled different filters. So to search for more filters, you have to swipe left and from here just go to the search portion. Okay, and here you can see there are a bunch of different filters, and let's suppose that I'm just searching for the runaway aurora filter on Instagram, which is nowadays very popular in Instagram and TikTok. So all I have to do is just click here and I will just search for runaway. Okay, so here you can see I have got this filter. So to try it, you just have to click on this try it. Okay, so here you can just try this filter. So likewise you can also try other filters. Okay, so you can just search for the filter name directly from here, or you can just search for the creator. For example, the runaway filter is created by Rosa, so you can just directly search for the creator, and from here you can just try different filters created by Rosa. Okay, so this is how it works. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.